was really troubled. But someone posted on the Harvard Psychology internet that, well, good has no meaning. It can be whatever you want. It's nonsense. If there's no difference between good and bad, wrong, right and wrong, no difference. So everybody is curious what is wrong. How many is good? If good has no meaning, they answer, well, for me, goodness is illogical. So I mean, what we try to be, try to make a problem, be scientific, be morally neutral, it doesn't work, right? So create a test to identify whether you have a meaning mindset or a set mindset. If you have a meaning mindset, I can predict that you'll be more likely to be optimistic, and you'll be more likely to be compassionate. You'll be more likely to help people rather than stand back and see the people being bullied. So it's the implication of action mindset. Also, you'll be more able to resist temptation, because you know that you're going to yield temptation. You might experience pleasure for a moment, but regret for a lifetime. Right? That implication comes from mindset. So that is, in immunotherapy, so you want to make sure that people have, develop shifting on this success mindset to the meaning mindset, because that helps them to be happy people, better people. Now here, I want to my function. Now that is a famous table of blind mentioned by Adam. Now, every blind person has a different. Thank you. Also, thank you. I can't use it now. I can't use it.
Oh, but just present. Strong.
Good work.
Go that sometimes works.
That's good. She's on that sometimes. So, I think that's what I know why I'm saying that in psychotherapy, right? So, the most popular one is CBT, right? Cognitive behavior. Well, it can be a problem. They're not thinking straight. Yeah, irrational thought or negative thought. So, CBT is very powerful, very irrational, because indeed, thinking is very important. You can think straight, you don't screw up. And some people say, oh, I am a psychodynamic. I'm dealing with underlying issue. Unconscious. Sure, that's important. The option or motive comes from the unconscious soul. The cryptic or dream. Dream can be revealed in unconscious content. Very important. Or some people say, well, I belong to the humanistic and essential school. Well, I read the big picture. That's the big picture. Kind of gave them those people a situational problem, but essential humanistic said, well, there's a big picture of human condition, of existential anxiety. So I said, okay, what do you all come together? Come to a mini conference. Come to a mini conference, why? We have pop psychology, external psychology, CBT, we have Buddhism, Muslim. Everybody come together. And then we're more likely to have a more complete picture, right? But it's hard. If you choose it for Muslim, if you choose for Hindu, whatever, you interface meeting with. It's hard. That's what meeting comes out of that. It's an interface meeting with. So So a part-time to get it going. But the important when I predict, okay, I predict. The main approach in time, okay, in my wisdom, believer. For the integrative approach, it will go your mind. Because when computer problem, it's not just thinking problem. The thinking problem might be related to a deeper existential issue. It's deep emotional issue. So the meaning as the central construct will be carried. So meaning was thinking, right? Meaning has to do with motivation that you want. Meaning has to do with feeling. What do you feel important? What do you feel important? Meaning has to do with the unconscious mind. To want to understand yourself, to understand what happened to you, and go deeper, you might discover it might be dealing with childhood experience. So, human beings are complex. So that's why the integrative approach is our best bet. By the way, all the material here are posted on the website. Okay, you know that, right? So our time, the hour is done for 1 day workshop. So I will have time to this work. Now, you will ask me, describe to me, what is mental? What is defining characteristics of mental? I'll say, one is feelings of we have, relationship of the body. Feelings of we have, why? Because human beings are meaning-seeking, meaning-making creatures. Our brain is always processing information and to find out what it means, right? Now you listen to me, you know what's coming from, what do you mean? People always processing meaning. What's intention and what do you want to get? And try to find out what life, what here. All those questions remain. So what kind can be offered? They already have the capacity for meaning. Everyone has that. Everyone has the capacity for meaning seeking and meaning. Relationships that we have. You know why? Because all the theory, all the study, all the research on effective therapy, therapy, okay now. All research says relationship is a key factor for effective therapy. Because therapeutic life, right? But for the main therapy, the relationship is more than therapeutic life. You know why? Because in immune therapy, in extensive therapy, we treat the client as a person rather than an object, rather than problem. We treat him as a fellow human being. So we're all fellow travelers. So this is in common. So there's a connection there, common connections. Human being. Although we also wear the hat, we are also a guide to that, how to navigate through that, training or experience. But basically, we treat the client as human being, treat them like that. The other part of the relationship is that when you're talking You're not talking about it. You have to be present. So you're present not only psychologically, physically, but also spiritually, emotionally. When you talk to a network, like, what a gentleman, so kind, so sweet. When the first time, to look in the eyes, you cannot but help love his hand, right? To make a husband smile, right? So instead of shooting your face, oh, sorry to put you on the spot, man. So the presence of what the brain was different, right? So what the brain cannot get a funny smile is an inner quality.